Welcome to Natural Lifestyle Remedies, your go-to source for all things health and wellness, delivered naturally. In today's episode, we're focusing on a vital yet often overlooked component of your health, your liver. This remarkable organ is not just a biological afterthought. It's a crucial player in your body's overall wellness. The liver, located on the right side of your belly, works tirelessly around the clock. It has over 500 roles, but is best known for its ability to detoxify, cleansing your blood of harmful substances that could otherwise pose serious health risks. Think of it as your body's personal purification system, constantly filtering out toxins from the food you eat, the air you breathe, and the medicines you take. Beyond detoxification, your liver is also instrumental in metabolizing nutrients, storing vitamins and minerals, and even supporting blood clotting. This makes its health paramount to your overall well-being. However, despite its importance, liver health is often neglected in everyday health discussions, overshadowed by more visible aspects of health and fitness. Why should you care about your liver? Well, without a functioning liver, your body's ability to filter out toxins diminishes, potentially leading to a host of health problems including liver disease, metabolic issues, and a weakened immune system. Maintaining liver health is not just about avoiding illness. It's about preserving vitality and energy, ensuring your body operates at its best. If you find this information intriguing and are curious to learn more about how you can support your liver, especially through natural means like the use of lecithin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video. We appreciate your support as it helps us bring more insightful health content your way. Today, we're diving into one of your body's most crucial organs, the liver. Let's uncover its secrets together. Have you ever wondered why your liver is vital to your health? Imagine a highly efficient processing plant right inside your body. That's your liver for you. This remarkable organ is nestled under your rib cage, working tirelessly to filter every drop of blood that circulates through your body. Every minute, it processes about 1.5 quarts of blood, sifting out toxins and breaking down fats by producing bile. But the liver's job doesn't stop at detoxification. It's also a metabolic powerhouse. Think of it as a storage unit and a processing factory rolled into one. It stores vitamins, iron, and glucose, which is your body's primary energy source. Then it cleverly converts excess glucose into glycogen for storage and back into glucose when your body needs a quick energy boost. Moreover, the liver processes everything we ingest, whether it's the food on your plate or the medicine in your cabinet, ensuring that only the good stuff stays and the harmful substances are prepared for elimination. Clearly, a healthy liver is key to a well-functioning body. So how exactly does your liver keep you detoxified? Well, imagine your liver as a highly efficient processing plant. Everything you consume, whether it's food, drink, or medicine, passes through this vital organ. Here, the liver acts as a quality control supervisor, meticulously breaking down toxins and ensuring they're safe for your body to process. But it's not just about detoxification. Your liver is also a master of fat metabolism. It converts excess fats into energy, stores some for future use, and packages the rest for export as cholesterol, which is vital for building cells and hormones. This dual role makes your liver a central player in maintaining your energy levels and overall health. Moreover, the liver has a remarkable ability to heal and regenerate itself. Even if 75% of the liver is damaged, it can regenerate back to its full size and functionality. This unique feature ensures it continues to perform its critical functions, even under stress. Your liver works tirelessly to shield you from harmful substances. But how can we support this vital organ? Enter lecithin, a natural ingredient found in many common foods. But what exactly is lecithin? It's a fatty substance occurring in plant and animal tissues, which is crucial for the body's cells. Predominantly, lecithin is extracted from soybeans, but it can also be found in egg yolks, sunflower seeds, and certain fish. This versatile compound is not just a staple in our kitchens, it also plays a pivotal role in our health, especially in liver function. Lecithin serves as a vital emulsifier that helps in breaking down fats. By doing so, it assists the liver in its heavy-duty task of processing fats. When fats are properly emulsified, they are less likely to accumulate and cause harm. This means lecithin not only supports liver health but also contributes to better overall fat metabolism. Moreover, lecithin is rich in choline, a nutrient that's essential for liver function. Choline helps to transport and metabolize fats and cholesterol. It is also involved in the detoxification processes of the liver. By promoting the removal of toxins and the redistribution of fats, lecithin ensures that the liver can operate smoothly and efficiently. Regular consumption of lecithin can therefore be a boon for anyone looking to maintain a healthy liver. Whether added to smoothies, sprinkled over salads, or incorporated into other dishes, lecithin integrates easily into any diet. Incorporating lecithin into your diet can be a simple yet effective way to boost your liver health. We've learned quite a bit about our hardworking liver and the supportive role of lecithin. Let's take a moment to recap the essential insights shared. The liver, often unsung, plays a pivotal role in our body, managing over 500 vital functions, including detoxifying harmful substances and aiding in metabolism. It's clear that maintaining liver health is crucial for overall well-being. Detoxification, a critical liver function, protects our bodies from toxins encountered daily, from environmental pollutants to dietary excesses. Supporting this natural process is where lecithin steps in, enhancing the liver's ability to break down fats and reduce toxin overload. Now, how can one harness the benefits of lecithin? It's simpler than one might think. Lecithin is found in many everyday foods such as eggs, soybeans, sunflower seeds, and even whole grains. Incorporating these foods into meals can be a natural way to boost liver health. Consider blending sunflower seeds into smoothies or using soy lecithin as a thickener in sauces and soups. Remember, taking care of your liver means taking care of your overall health. By understanding its vital functions and the natural ways to support it, such as incorporating lecithin-rich foods, one can significantly enhance their health journey.